Hi guys, welcome back to TechCatAssist. I want to do a follow-up video on Winget tool. I got some comments and some requests saying that they don't have an option to use the Winget tool on their Windows 11 computers and Windows 10 computers. So I'm going to show you how you can get that. Okay, so the easiest way to get the Winget software tool installed on your Windows computer is to get it from the Microsoft Store. So in order to get it, just go in and type in app installer. Okay, and then if you click on the search there, you just should see app installer. So that's the component. It's not called Winget, it's just app installer. I have that here installed. So that's it's already present there. So that's how you can get it. But if you can't, for some reason, you can't get Microsoft Store to find for you or install the app for some different reasons. I actually had one of the users in my work that we couldn't get it from the Microsoft Store because some kind of issues on the computer. So what I've done actually, we went to the website which is called. I'm just gonna give you the that's the github.com Microsoft /winget-cli. I'm gonna put that in the description of the video. Okay, so if you just typed in that or click on the link in the description of the video, that brings you to the GitHub website. So that's my website there. Actually, not my website, but that's the community website, GitHub. Okay, so on the right hand side, if you scroll down, you should see here Microsoft release, Microsoft package, Windows Package Manager, okay, release 46. If I click on it, okay, now this comes up another page, it's the releases tag, and I click on the Microsoft Desktop App Installer, and the latest one, okay, so that's the MSIX bundle. So I click on it, that's gonna ask me where to save it. So I'm gonna save it on the desktop. So on the right hand side on the top, I go to my downloads and I'm gonna try to open that, okay? So I have here an information that the app install is already installed, but I can reinstall it. So yeah, in this case, guys, you can do the same. So if you have some problems with Windows Store, Microsoft Store, just go to this website and then download it from here and then install it. That should work for you. So I'm gonna put that in the comments. Sorry, actually in the description. And yeah, just work it out from there, okay? Based on my video. And then you should use the other video to do an update on your apps. So guys, thanks very much for watching. As always, please subscribe to my channel and like the video and stay tuned for more videos. Okay, thanks.